Now topic is coordinate and mirror image of a geometrical figure. In this module, we will learn how to find the mirror image of a geometrical figure in the x and y axis. For this, we have to take a coordinate plane or xy plane. Now to locate the coordinate of any point in xy plane. From the point, draw perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis respectively. The perpendicular distance from y-axis is known as x-coordinate, which is 3, and perpendicular distance from x-axis is known as y-coordinate, which is 2. Hence, coordinates of its point is 3, 2. We also know the image formed in a plane mirror is as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Thus, the mirror image obtained of a point with respect to y-axis is the point as the same distance as opposite to y-axis. Similarly, the mirror image obtained of a point with respect to x-axis is a point as the same distance as opposite to x-axis. Let us do an activity to obtain the mirror image of a geometrical figure with respect to x and y-axis. For the activity, we need a graph paper, a pencil, and a scale or ruler. On the graph paper, draw two perpendicular lines as shown. The horizontal line represents x-axis and vertical line represents the y-axis. Mark the point of intersection as O. Now, mark the positive and negative values on both the axes using a suitable scale. Now, draw any figure, say a quadrilateral, on the graph paper. Name it A, B, C, D. Now write the coordinate of vertex A. It is -4 and 2. Now write the coordinate of vertex B. It is -2 and 1. Write the coordinate of vertex C. It is -1 and 3. Now write the coordinate of vertex D. It is -3 and 3. Now plot the mirror image of A with respect to x-axis and name it A1. Now plot the mirror image of B with respect to x-axis and name it B1. Similarly, draw the mirror image of point C with respect to x-axis and name it C1. Likewise, draw the mirror image of point D with respect to x-axis and name it D1. Label the coordinates of point A1, B1, C1, D1. Join A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1 and D1, A1. Look carefully. If you want to mirror image of a point with respect to x-axis, then sign of y coordinate will change while x coordinate remains same. Here figure A1, B1, C1, D1 is a mirror image of A, B, C, D with respect to x-axis. Now plot the mirror image of quadrilateral ABCD with respect to y-axis. Plot the mirror image of point A with respect to y-axis and name it A2. Now plot the mirror image of B with respect to y-axis and name it B2. Similarly, plot the mirror image of point C with respect to y-axis and name it C2. Likewise, plot the mirror image of point D with respect to y-axis and name it D2. Label the coordinates of points A2, B2, C2 and D2. Join A2 and B2, B2 and C2, C2 and D2, D2 and A2 to get the mirror image of figure ABCD with respect to y-axis. Here figure A2, B2, C2, D2 is the mirror image of figure ABCD with respect to the y-axis. Again look carefully. If we want to obtain mirror image of a point with respect to y-axis, then sign of x coordinate will change while y coordinate remains the same. From this we can observe that when the mirror image of figure is obtained with respect to x-axis, then x coordinate remains the same while sign of y coordinate will change. In contrast, when the mirror image of figure is obtained with respect to y-axis, then y coordinate remains the same while sign of x coordinate will change. In this module, we have learned how to find the mirror image of a geometrical figure in the x-axis and